Hey there, content creators. Are you tired of spending countless hours researching products and writing affiliate blogs that don't even get clicks? Well, we have a game changer for you. Introducing Roundups. Roundups is a powerful AI-driven tool that generates insightful product research reports optimized for Google. Say goodbye to the days of writing fluff content and hello to earning more affiliate commissions effortlessly. Roundups uses AI to create SEO-friendly product research reports featuring AppSumo lifetime deals and Amazon products. You can leverage user reviews, pricing data, and comparison tables to create valuable content that helps your audience make informed buying decisions. Why use Roundups? Generate affiliate content in seconds. Customize every Roundup to fit your brand. Publish directly to WordPress with one click. Monetize your content with AppSumo and Amazon affiliate links. With Roundups, you can generate click-worthy titles optimized for SEO, add engaging media, and even stylize the text using the content editor. Whether you're a blogger, influencer, or marketer, Roundups is designed to help you earn affiliate commissions without the hassle. Each Roundup can be customized to reflect your unique personality and product opinions. You can add top picks, product profiles, reviews, insights, key benefits, and even FAQs. And when you're ready, publish your Roundups directly to your WordPress site or share them on social media with just one click. You can even publish new Roundups to multiple WordPress sites simultaneously. Roundups makes it easy to monetize your content. Connect to AppSumo's Impact platform or Amazon Associates and start earning commissions for every click. No need to install paywalls or plaster ads all over your blog. So why wait? Turn your organic traffic into affiliate commissions with Roundups. Create affiliate content in seconds and watch your earnings grow. Get lifetime access to Roundups today. Click the link in the description to get started. Happy blogging! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome tools and tips. Thanks for watching.